So, hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to download Unity for your old 32-bit or your core2duo computer. So it is just easy. Go to this website here from your mobile or even on your PC. Go to Unity, get Unity, download archive. Wait till it's downloaded on your PC or your mobile. Go back here to Unity 5.x, and if you are using the integrated Intel iGPU, I don't remember its name on the core studio, don't choose Unity 5.6.7 because that GPU doesn't support direct 11 10 or 11 or 12. So you're gonna scroll down till Unity 5.5.4, and you gotta choose from Unity editor 32-bit or 64-bit. Anyways, they are both light, very super light on your old system. So that was for today. That was all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please just like the video. That's all I'm asking. Have a good day.